The complainant responded, again, we're not in your country anymore, and you can't do gang stuff here, so leave me alone. The defendant then stated, we'll see about that when you hear the shots, and made a gun gesture with his hand.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
We're Declan Morales. Last name Declan Morales.
Yo te voy a traducir, ¿ok?
Delcid.
Delcid.
Del Cid.
You know what Elcid means?
No, what?
King. The king.
In what language?
Is it Tagalog?
¿Apenas?
Huh.
Mías, David del Cid.
Mr. Delcid Morales,
Del Cid.
Morales.
Morales.
on bond for an assault or bodily injury. You've now picked up a terroristic threat
Y también
causing serious bodily injury. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Let me express my disappointment with the new case. That really just, you now, because of this,
esto.
have now garnered an ICE hold.
Tienes una orden de inmigración.
What happened on the new case, please?
Yes, Your Honor. On
Dice,
February
dice
21st, 2025, officers were dispatched to a disturbance at 14,000 Ella Boulevard, number 1608, which is an apartment complex in Harris County, Texas. The caller, the complainant, stated that 3 Hispanic males were threatening to come back with guns and that they are still on the scene. The officers arrived and observed the 3 Hispanic males sitting at the bottom of a stairwell leading up to the caller's apartment. When they saw the officers, he began to walk away. The officers yelled, stop, and 2 out of the 3 men returned. The 3rd male continued to walk away and disregarded all orders to stop. The complainant came out and she stated that she got into a verbal argument with a juvenile male and female who were loitering on the stairs leading up to her apartment while she was trying to go up those stairs. She stated that no threats were made at that time and she walked to her apartment. But when she walked to her apartment, she saw on her doorbell security camera that the juvenile male was making gang signs and threatening gestures at her towards her doorway. The complainant then came back out and scolded the juvenile male, stating in Spanish, "We are not in your country anymore and you can't do anything to me here. You are a little kid and you need to go home to your parents." The juvenile male stated, "You can't talk to me like that and I'm going to call my brother." The defendant, the brother, arrived on scene and began yelling at the complainant, telling her to watch how she talks to her brother.
So that's him.
Yes, the brother. The complainant responded, again, we're not in your country anymore and you can't do gang stuff here, so leave me alone. The defendant then stated, we'll see about that when you hear the shots, and made a gun gesture with his hand pointing at the complainant and began to mimic the sound of gunfire. That was a threat. She began, yes. And then she was fearful for her life and retreated into the apartment complex. The officers were able to review both security cameras and video footage from and cell phone footage of the incident.
Mr. Delcid, I'm going to find that there's enough probable cause to go forward with your case. I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with this person in this case and not to be able to possess any weapons.
Este caso, no la hables, no la llames y no tengas en posesión ningún arma o arma de fuego.
Understand?
¿Entendías las condiciones?
Normally, what we do when someone picks up a case is that we revoke the bond on the first case. However, because you have an ICE detainer, I don't know if that's really.
I didn't catch the last part, Judge.
Because there's an ICE detainer as it is, I don't know if that's.
I'm gonna try to figure out your situation. I would ask that it not be revoked. That's
Voy a tratar de averiguar la situación de inmigración.
We asked that it would be, Your Honor. The
I
complainant
mean,
also mentioned that she saw a black hand grip of that which she believed to be a handgun.
she saw him with a gun.
Yes, Your
Ella
Honor.
dice ahora que te
they-
vio con un arma.
On his waistband, she didn't see the entire gun, but she did believe.
She saw a handle?
handgun, yes, Your
Dice
Honor.
que vio que tenías un arma metido en
Judge, I don't think the
en la
revocation is
cinta.
gonna make a difference if there's conditions in place. The conditions will protect the complaining party.
And Mr. Morales,
Bueno, sí,
or
amor.
Mr. Dell said,
Pero sí,
I don't know if you're going to get out now.
no sé si vas a poder
Try to
salir.
warn every single person when you come here, be very,
Le digo
very
a todas las
careful
personas,
because when you are not in this country with permission,
cuando estás
You're
aquí sin
very-
permiso,
serious consequences,
tienes consecuencias.
as you now see.
Sí, pues ya arrestan. Y te lo dije.
I'll agree with you. I'll leave the bond as is.
Puedes dejar la fianza como
However, I
Pero-
don't know what's going to happen with you now
no sé lo que va a pasar contigo
because
ahora,
of the immigration detainer. But if you do get out,
opción que tengas. Pero si
you will
sales,
have very serious
vas a tener
conditions.
acciones muy
I'm
serias.
going to put a GPS monitor on you,
Ponerte un
and
monitor
I don't want you
Sí, sí.
anywhere near this complaining witness
que vaya.
or the complaining
Sí.
witness on your open assault case.
El-
You're not to be in possession of any weapons, and I'm going to give you a curfew.
es estar en
Do you understand?
armas
You're
o-
not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I
Solo de
will
lo-
randomly test you.
o hacer muestras de orina.
As it stands now with the ICE detainer, I mean,
Detención.
just, I guess reach out, see what's going to happen with that.
Él va a averiguar.
Okay.
Podemos hacer.
Thank you, Judge.
Morales, good luck.
Buena suerte.
Sure we can hold off?
No. Get the conditions in because, they can always make an immigration bond. Wait. If you're going, we need him to sign. Thank you. That's it, I think, hopefully.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.